Come with me, let me share with you a simple method making a Zobo drink super healthy and super hair benefiting. Do you know a Zobo drink contains a lot that you cannot imagine? If you want to control your high blood pressure, it goes too well. If you want to control your weight, it goes through well. Go eat and see what it benefit. So I will introduce them to you one after the other. So this is Zobo leaf. So this is a pineapple, watermelon, this is a ginger, cloves, this is a banana and pineapple flavor. You can use any flavor just for sweetener. So this is a honey. So after this, I'll go ahead and rinse it. When you are rinsing it, it's going to release so many colors, but don't mind. You still have a lot of color that you are going to gain after boiling it. So I'm going to repeat this 3 times. Can you see there is a trace of sand at the downs of it? So to all my returning subscribers, you guys are wonderful. To the bottom of my heart, I truly appreciate you all. Thank you for tuning in again. And if today is your first time coming across this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Be a part of this humble family so that whenever we upload a new video, you will be first to be notified. And we are uploading soon again, and every Friday you see our latest video. If you cannot get it on Friday, you get it on Monday. Anytime we miss it on Friday, just expect it before the week runs out. So give a thorough washing to the pineapple because the bark is also going to be needed. I'll wash it for the first time. I will go ahead and I will rinse it. Please help me to share this video. Let it be a blessing to others. Or maybe some of the family members you know that is suffering from high blood pressure. It goes too well. It will help them to control it. It goes too well. And it's so natural. That is one good thing about it. So once you peel your pineapple, you are not going to throw the bark away. It's very, very useful. So put a sufficient water when you are about to cook it. I will go ahead and add the cloves to it. So 30 to 40 minutes, it will be perfectly okay. So once I am done with the pineapple, I will just go ahead and blend it with the watermelon or any other thing that you want to add. You can blend them together. All these are just for sweetener. And even pineapple is also good, and it contains a lot and is also medicinal on its own. Even the ginger, the cloves, they are wonderful. So you can add this one in 2 ways. After grinding it, you sieve it and just put it aside. So but this, I'm going to be adding it to the pot. So if you are adding it to the pot, sometimes it might not be necessary to do this sieving it. But if you are not going to add it to the pot, you sieve it and you put it aside. You add it when your Zobo drink is fully ready. But on this video, I'm not going to do it like that. Can you see I've already added it to the same pot even when it's still on the fire? So that is what I'm trying to explain. You can also add it when it has already cooled down. So you go ahead and take up the chaps. At this point, is not necessary. All the nutritional value that we needed on it have already released inside the water. I'll go ahead and add that flavors to it. It's optional. If you don't have it, that one will not stop you of making it. The major thing or ingredients that you needed here, at this point I added honey to it. It's just this Zobo drink. So you can add any other things to it for sweetener if you don't want to add sugar. I don't really want to add sugar, so I prefer to use natural throughout. Feel free to share the video. Let it be a blessing to others. So if you also have this kind of sieve bag, it goes too well. You only sieve it once, you are done. But if that is like the sieve I use, if that is what you have, you can repeat it like 3 times to make sure there is no sharps on it. So this is how it goes like. So you will enjoy it when it's really cold. You can serve it when it's hot, but you will enjoy it more when it's really chilled, you know. So once you are done, you can store it into any container that you have. Just take it straight to your fridge. So anytime you think you are interested in it, just go there and take a glass of it. You can take it 3 times a day. You can take it once a day. You can take it twice a day. But if you want to watch your weight, and you can take it 3 times a day, 2 times a day, or 3 times a day. It's really great and wonderful. But in case if you don't still understand what I'm trying to say, so this one is for sweetener. Ginger is a ginger syrup. It's for sweetener. So in case if you don't really understand what I'm still saying, or you didn't really you are still doubting, just go ahead and Google Zobo drink, the hair benefit of Zobo drink. It will amaze you. So if you watch all to this point, you are a proud to this family. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I truly appreciate. Remember to subscribe if you have not done so. Like the video, leave a comment. See you soon again in another satisfying video. Bye bye. I love you all.